how to use word effects on Facebook Messenger. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to use word effects on Facebook Messenger to make your chats more fun and colorful. So now, without further ado, let's get started. So first thing first, open the Facebook Messenger app on your phone and make sure that you're logged in to your account. And now here, once you are inside the app, then you simply have to tap on any conversation that you want to customize. And now here, once you're inside the chat, then you simply have to tap on the contact name which can be seen in the top of the chat. And now here, on the new page, a menu will appear. From that menu, you simply have to scroll down and tap on the option that says word effect. And now here in this section, you simply have to type in the word that you want to highlight. So here, let's say I want to write a word fancy. And with that, you just have to tap on the emoji icon to add the emoji effect to it. And here, once you're done with it, you simply have to tap on the send button, and that's it. Now here, once you're done with it, you can simply go back to the chat and type the word and simply send it on the chat. And once you do that, the animated effects will appear every time you type that word. And that's it. That's how you can use word effects on Facebook Messenger. With this, if you found this video helpful, then don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to get updated for more videos. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.